Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, it's Joelle. I have not posted a video in so long, but anyways, let's get past that. So today I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I wanted to show you the unboxing, what it looks like, so keep watching. And I have her. I took her. She moved, by the way, so I'm sad. I know. Triggered. We triggered.
Here's a lovely box for the... You know what? I was so confused. I thought when you got the box, it was upside down, right? When he brought it out. Mm-hmm. And I was like, did you get it in black? I thought you were going to get it in silver.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry I look so ugly. My acne is bad because I'm on Accutane right now, so, you know, it's really bad right now.
Like, I'm triggered by the box. Like, it's silver, but the box is black. Yeah. Is it supposed to be white?
No, don't open it yet. So we're gonna do the satisfying part, and I'm gonna have her open it. So, yes, do the honors.
Oh, I didn't miss this part.
Oh wait, wait. Oh, it's like that?
Yeah, you have to pull this up. That's kind of. Oh, I know.
Ooh. Oh my. This is pretty.
Okay, so we're gonna lift her up real quick.
The camera.
I'm gonna lift her up, you know. Girl, you really trust me like that? Oh my gosh. Y'all, we're gonna put this box down. You know what? I don't understand why people are so triggered when they don't know where their charger is for their phone in the box. Like, people have been destroyed.
Oh, people are like, where's it?
People know, like, for the AirPods and stuff, people destroyed the box because they thought it didn't come with a charger. Like, they didn't know that, like, you know how, like, it covers with the flap? They didn't know that it does that.
I wanted to show you. I want to show. So, it comes with a power, like a fast charging.
Sorry, that's disgusting.
In there?
The box. Look at the box. Look at the charging box.
It looks dusty, but it's not. It's a plastic on it.
No, but why does it look like that? It's not a cube anymore.
It's a fast charger. The fast thing, they changed it. Did you not remember?
No.
I'm saying that it's different.
No, I didn't. I didn't watch it. I saw that it went into mitosis.
It comes with like a fast charging box, and I changed it. So instead of a box, like a little cube, it's like an actual block. See? And then it comes with AirPods. No, I'm kidding.
AirPods.
If you wish. And, you know, the regular headsets and...
Headsets?
Whatever, headphones. And then it comes with the
charger. The
new charging wire.
Now, here comes the beautiful part. Ooh, it's... No one cares about that. I'm gonna turn this.
Look how nice it looks. Well, it looks better in the phone. I mean, it looks better in the App Store.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. I mean, no, it looks better here. That's what I meant.
It looks better here, not... It looks white, though, for it to be silver.
That's why I liked it.
Look at that reflection.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
What's it gonna... Aló.
How do you put it back in?
Oh, what does that say? Bonjour.
Bonjour, comment ça va? We're gonna set up my phone and we'll be back.
Okay, so I'm gonna click English, you know, United States. You wanna set it up manually?
I guess so. Next, it may take a few minutes after your phone. Okay.
Privacy, the usual thing when you set up. You want to set up, or do it later?
I'm gonna set up Face ID now.
And then
you want to hold it for me?
Yeah. Position your face.
Yeah, look ugly.
Okay, now you're gonna move your head like in a circle. No, slowly. Go. Okay, there we go. And now you're gonna do it again. Move your head slowly in a circle.
Watch when I lose weight and I can't like figure out what my face is.
It says Face ID is now set up. Okay, now we're gonna press continue.
Same one, I guess. Okay.
Password done.
Period. So now it's just, you know, backing up my phone with all my contacts, photos, whatever. And it's probably gonna take a couple hours because I have so much stuff on my phone.
Trust me, when I did this, I had a lot more stuff than you had, and it worked pretty fast.
Okay,
so
bet. All right, cool. Hopefully. All right, finally, like, I'll finish updating. So, voila. Oh, you know the password. Oh. Okay. Oops. I'm just waiting for it to restore from my iCloud. Oh, see, now it looks gold. You can't even. It looks gold, guys. That's gold. I got the gold phone, guys.
That's a lie.
My phone has to restore, and it's taking forever. So we just went to Best Buy and I bought this case.
An OtterBox case.
Yeah, so $50, but I'm gonna use it.
$53.49 was the total.
And yeah, but we got this, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, I'm gonna say goodbye to her.
What time is it? Because it's
Can you guys comment below if you know what time this is? 19:25.
All right, y'all. I was real with you.
All right.
I'm a fuck with you.
What did it say? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Peace.